Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin. Wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri. Wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi zidni ilman. Hello everyone. Today we are going to hear a special story that starts with Allah and how He created everything in the world, including Prophet Adam alayhi salam, the first human, and Shaitan, the first enemy of mankind. Let's go on this journey together. Look at all these amazing creations. Can you guess what they all have in common? That's correct. Allah made them all. Everything we see around us, from the stars to the trees, the sun, the moon, and even animals, Allah created them all with love and care. After creating all these beautiful things, Allah decided to create humans. And the first human ever created was Prophet Adam alayhi salam. Who can tell me what Adam alayhi salam was made out of? That's correct. Adam alayhi salam was made out of clay. Allah formed him with his own hands and breathed life into him. After Allah created Adam alayhi salam, He commanded all the angels to do sajda or prostration in front of Adam alayhi salam to show respect. Every angel obeyed. But can you guess who was that who did not obey? Who was that did not want to prostrate to Adam, follow what Allah commanded to him? Yes, it was Shaitan. He did not obey Allah. Shaitan was too proud. He said, I am better than him. You created me from fire and created him from clay. Shaitan thought fire was better than clay. Because of his pride and disobedience, Allah became angry with Shaitan. And Allah sent him far, far away. But Shaitan come back and asked Allah for a long life and to live until the last day. Well, Allah granted his wish, but Shaitan promised that he would make people do bad things. Shaitan promised Shaitan promised Allah that he would make us do things that Allah does not like, such as lying, not listening to our parents, and disobeying Allah. Prophet Adam alayhi salam was placed in Jannah, a beautiful paradise. He was very happy, but sometimes he was also lonely. Well, Allah saw this, and Allah decided to create a companion for Adam. Allah created Hawa or Eve for Adam alayhi salam to be his wife and companion in Jannah. They were both happy and loved living there. Allah gave Adam alayhi salam and Hawa alayhi salam everything they needed in Jannah. There was only one rule. Allah told them not to go near a tree. They could eat from all of the other trees, but not this one. But guess who came to whisper evil thought to them? Yeah, Shaitan. He told them that if they ate from the tree, they would live forever in paradise. Shaitan kept persuading them, and eventually, Prophet Adam and Hawa ate from the tree. They made a mistake. Can Can you imagine how they must have felt? After eating from the tree, they realized that they had made a mistake. They felt very bad and were truly sorry for what they did. Prophet Adam alayhi salam and Hawa alayhi salam immediately asked Allah for forgiveness. They were sincere, and Allah, in His mercy, forgave them. From this story of Adam alayhi salam, we can learn many important lessons. First, we must always be careful of shaitan. Shaitan always tries to make us do bad things. Always ask Allah to protect us from his evil whispers. Now let's see how well you remember the story. I will ask some questions and you can answer with true or false. Ready? Okay. Question 1. Adam was made from fire. True or false? Question 2. Shaitan obeyed Allah when he was told to do sajda. True or false? Okay. Third one. Adam and Hawa were happy in Jannah. True or false? Okay, the last one. Shaitan promised to help Adam and Hawa. True or false? Shaitan was too proud and refused to obey Allah. We should never feel like we are better than others. We must always stay humble. Even though Shaitan disobeyed Allah, Allah still granted his wish for a long life. This shows us how powerful dua are. Always make dua to Allah because He listens to us. Allah loves it when we obey Him. If we listen to Allah's commands, we can protect ourselves from shaitan and live a good, happy life. After Prophet Adam alayhi salam and Hawa alayhi salam ate from the tree, they were sent to earth. They had children and taught them about Allah. They warned their children to avoid the tricks of shaitan. Prophet Adam alayhi salam was the first prophet sent by Allah to guide people. There were many other prophets who followed him, all of whom were good, kind, and loved Allah. We should try to be like the prophets, kind, brave, and full of love for Allah. They were the best of people, and we should follow their example. Let's remember the important lessons from this story. Always be humble, stay away from shaitan's whispers, and make dua to Allah for protections and guidance. Now, let's have another game. I will show you a sentence and you have to tell me if it is correct or not. Ready? Okay, the sentence is Shaitan obeyed Allah when he told him to do sajda. Is it correct? It is incorrect. Shaitan refused to obey Allah. Thank you all for joining me today. Remember to always stay close to Allah, seek His forgiveness, and be careful of Shaitan's trick. May Allah protect us all. Amin. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik.